In response to call from industry for specialized workforce skills, Motlow opened the state's first mechatronic program in 2010 with 10 students. And in 9 years since, we've educated more than 500 highly trained graduates.
Motlow is recognized as a benchmark institution for launching new mechatronics programs and serving as an economic engine fueling industry expansion in Tennessee. The college continues to meet growing demand for qualified workers by expanding with a robotics concentration. Our vision and will to support economic development is constrained only by limited resources. In particular, Motlow's McMinnville campus is now at capacity and in dire need of additional lab space.
Our success is measured and proven by student in-field job placements. Our students consistently find well-paying, in-field career opportunities in the top 50 advanced manufacturing industries, including automotive OEM, Tier 1, food processing, film production, and many more.
Motlow has a reputation for ensuring student access to programs and teaching spaces equipped with industry-relevant technology. Today, there are 280 students enrolled in mechatronics. That's a 2,700% increase in less than 10 years. That reflects an incalculable effect on new industry investment, community building, and the impact on the lives of Tennessee citizens. Together, we must continue to fight for hardworking Tennesseans, equipping them with marketable skills that enable them to compete for high-demand, well-paying careers that support Tennessee families.